Welcome to the Centara Grand Hotel, or as it was known in 1921 when it was first opened, the Railway Hotel Hua Hin. The railway started in 1909, finished in Hua Hin 1911, then was completed through to Malaysia and Singapore in 1921. It was very popular for businessmen, wealthy residents, especially royalty, to come to Hua Hin for their holiday summer vacations. This hotel has many remnants of the past. It has its own museum. It has artifacts from those 1920s and onwards. It's a living museum that you can actually live in. So please, if you want to know a little bit of history, not just Hua Hin, but of Thailand, visit Centara Grand Hotel in Hua Hin. It's well worth the trip. So we really have the State Railway of Thailand to thank for this beautiful hotel, and also probably you could say the development and popularity of Hua Hin, because before the railway came, only locals knew about Hua Hin. But when the railway was built from Bangkok down to Malaysia, it suddenly became possible for the rich and famous of the day to travel to Hua Hin, enjoy the beach and the ocean. The Centara Grand Hotel has 4 swimming pools in the grounds, 3 for general use and 1 for the private villas. Being a beachfront location has direct access to the beach, which is the northern tip of Hua Hin Beach, running right down to the temple in the hill where the monkeys are. I call it Monkey Temple, but it has its own name. I just don't know it. The picture of this hotel is old school. It was built in 1920s and it shows. But that's the beauty of the hotel. Its architecture, the material it's made of, wood and brick. Every room is large proportions, as you would expect of a building built in the 1920s. Then coming into the room itself, you have a massive area. You have a lounge room, then you have the bed, all the woodwork, wood panelling around, and the brick walls. And then you walk outside, and outside you've got this very, very deep veranda with beautiful, beautiful roof to cover you from any rain that comes in. So, as in Thailand, it always rains in the rainy season, you wouldn't get wet. The other feature of this hotel, apart from the verandas, is the gardens. The gardens are just out of this world. Manicured gardens with paths, animals shaped into the trees. The pruning of it would take a full-time job. year round. But they do it. It's just part of the hotel, part of the character that you get in the hotel. Like I said, it's an amazing hotel. It really is an amazing hotel. And of course, you've got the elephants. You've got elephants carved, as you would in Thailand. And probably the main feature of this hotel is the colonial style that was built in, with the big deep verandas covering the whole of the hotel. Just the look of it brings you back to the British influence of this country, of this hotel. Parks 202. 202. Thank you. Okay, it's time for breakfast. Let's have a look inside. So we start off with a fresh fruit, fresh juices, fresh fruit smoothies, all freshly prepared that day. And the presentation is amazing. Yogurts, muesli, bircher muesli. Growing up is just a trap. Don't it seem like a drag? Condiments, jams, cakes, then you've got the hot food. So you've got sausages, as you normal do, hot brownies, baked beans, tomatoes, and lots of curries, as you would find in Thailand. That was fantastic. Chilies here. Then we have the main kitchen here, making the omelettes, specially prepared. Look at the eggs there, they're waiting to be cracked. Again, this is a heritage building, all the woodwork, the wood features, amazing. Holds a lot of people, which is, it should, because it's a big hotel. But you've also got outdoor dining as well, under the umbrellas in the mornings. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Under the trees as well. Then you've got the manicured gardens again. All the animals. They've got rabbits as well. Anyone likes rabbits, they're here. And then you've got the beautiful building with the wide verandas and the roof. Colonial architecture at its best. The Centara Grand Hotel.